BG Rides here, getting ready to run down to southbound Honda. Bike's got about 35,000 miles on it. I looked in the manual, and about 30,000 you're supposed to get the valves adjusted. So
when you get the vibration, it won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. And you better start rolling when you hear the man coming. It won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. No, we don't mind if you don't mind. 'Cause I'll never mind. Let the feeling come take you. It won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. And you know I got fever, so when you hit me right, you know you might as well. It won't do you no good. Said it won't do you no good. And I said, kiss your baby goodbye. Come on, love, it's alright. Heaven knows they wanna break you apart. Yeah.
anyway, gonna go up and have them do the valves. Should have had it done at 30,000, but it's about 35,000 now. But didn't want to run the risk of screwing anything up, so.
Can't fight the temptation when you get the vibration. It won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. And you can tell I got fever. You try to shake it off, try it all you want. It won't do you no good. Said it won't do you no good. And I said, kiss your baby goodbye. Come on, love, it's alright. Heaven knows they won't.
Okay, this is it. Southbound Honda. Got a little bit of everything. Look at this Goldwing. That's like riding in luxury right there. Thanks for watching. I'm going to take a look at some of these bikes and see you on the next ride.